So, I just bought a new kind of Nerf gun today from Walmart. It's called the Adventure Force, and because it's so special, I want to make a short video on how to use this gun. Alright, first, when you look at the outside of this gun, it just looks like a normal Nerf gun, but the special thing that I see when I first see this gun is the special types of ammo. It's shorter and it's lighter, which means that when you fire this ammo, the bullet will fly faster and more accurate. So here is a clip. The way to insert the ammo is just a typical clip, but here you see that it's shorter, narrower. Now, how to insert this clip to the gun? If you just try to insert the clip into the gun like this with the arrow point forward, it will not work. What actually you have to do is to pull back this bar and push it, but now you cannot push it anymore, so you have to remove it by pressing it forward like this and push it down, push it up one more time until this line in the clip touch the bigger clip here. So this one is a bigger clip that can also be removed like this by pushing this lever here, and you see that here this line here must touch the bigger clip. But now you cannot do this. You have to push another time like this, and you have to pull this bar back, slide it back, and push it up. Now, when you slide the bar up, this thing here will push the ammo into the barrel. Now the gun is ready to fire. And another thing I recognize when I use this gun is that the spring is much tougher than a regular Nerf. It says that on the box, it says that it can fire further than 125 feet, which is actually quite far. For a typical gun like this, the spring is weaker, and usually the ammo can fly up to 90 feet. And this one, I remove the clip. Again, you cannot remove the clip once you already load the gun. So you see, you cannot remove it. And you can also cannot do slide the bar back again one more time. So once you slide it, it fixed and you must fire it. Okay, I'll fire it now into a safe play. I will do that off the screen. Now once you fire it, you can slide it back, and in my case I have to use considerable force, like twice more force than this regular Nerf gun, and slide it up. Now again, you cannot remove the clip once you slide it up to the original position, so I have to fire it one more time to remove the clip, pull it and remove it. And now the gun is empty. Okay. So how to aim this gun? Well, the ammo typically is will flying down a little bit. So when you aim it, you have to aim a little bit higher. So here, for example, we have an egg for a target. Assuming you want to hit this position, then you will have to aim at the top of the egg. Let's say this egg is 3 feet. Sorry, 1 inch. And assuming you stand 10 feet away from this egg, you have to aim the barrel like this. Here. Like this. So you aim at the top of the egg, a 1 inch high egg, at 10 feet away, and like this, and it probably will hit the center. Here, like this one. Aiming here and here. Like this, at the top of the edge. Alright, probably I will do a demonstration on how to shoot this gun on the target.